Welcome the our channel. Today we how to update monday.com time tracking for accurate project billing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open monday.com and log into your account. Navigate to the specific board that contains the project you want to update. Locate the time tracking column within your board. Ensure that all team members have logged their hours accurately. If any entries appear incorrect or incomplete, click on the cell to edit. Adjust the time by either entering the correct hours or using the time duration picker. After making your changes, press enter to save the updated time. Next, check the total time tracked for the project by looking at the summary column. If your board features a dashboard view, go to that section for a broader overview of time tracked. In the dashboard, locate the relevant widget that displays time tracking data. Make sure this widget is set up to show the most recent data for accuracy. Review any discrepancies between logged time and project requirements. If necessary, communicate with team members regarding any inconsistencies. Once all entries are verified, consider setting a weekly reminder for team members to log their time. Implement automated notifications to ensure timely updates in future weeks. Finally, generate billing reports based on the accurate time tracked for the project. Export the report to your preferred format for billing purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.